Hi, my name is Aarti Kapoor and Charm Life is an e-commerce platform that gives you access to India's finest kids products, women's fashion and artisanal home decor. The idea behind the platform is to bring you access to the finest that the country has to offer, and also encourage, support and help artisans and women-led organizations sell their products. My journey has been very interesting because I started off as a blogger and then became a consultant, and over the time, thanks to the pandemic, I adapted quickly and I launched an e-commerce platform to help the brands that I've worked with and the women entrepreneurs and startups that I wanted to support sell their products better. The few things that I've learned in the past is that it's the end goal or your journey that you should keep an eye out to, and if you're starting off, then that is something that is very important. So for me, the goal was, for example, to be able to help startups, women-led organizations, artisanal brands and sustainable fashion and design brands reach out to their target audience and communicate their story, thereby helping them to grow. And the journey has been a beautiful journey of how we've started, and that brings me to what I've learned over the past few years. So the one thing that I've learned is, and that is of paramount importance, is learn to enjoy your journey, because there is no guarantee of success in whatever you do, but if you enjoy your journey, then you will feel that you've had a great experience in time and you grow as a person irrespective. The second thing is learn to say no. If you're not comfortable doing something, or if something is against your ethical code or your value system, then it's okay to say no to it. And even if you're small, it's fine, because that's how you establish your ethic code and your brand reputation. The third thing that I think is really important is to be able to identify very early on what your strengths are and what you think motivates you, and play on those. For me, for example, my ability to communicate everyone's story, to be able to curate and merchandise has been my strength, and that is something that even today, when I have launched my e-commerce platform, I am bringing forward. Then the other thing that I think is really important is to learn to help people along the way, because you really don't know who comes handy when. And it's more from a point of view that I believe that women supporting women can be so wonderful and everyone can grow together. So I always tell people that the sea is big enough for everyone to fish in, and there's enough pie for everyone in the market, and it's important to be able to grow together. And then lastly, I feel that love yourself, love your family, and be confident about who you are as a person, because as women, I think including me as a new mom, we tend to put ourselves on the back burner, and this is something that has been very new for me as an experience, because I've always gone out of my way to put myself forward. But being a new mom, that's been a different experience for me. So always find time for yourself, and even if it's 10 or 15 minutes in your daily routine, do that and you'll see that it makes a big difference. So happy Women's Day, and this is my message to you.